today I've got a pack with me video as I am headed out to Las Vegas very soon, and I'm having a girls trip with my friends for 3 nights, 4 days. This will be my carry-on luggage. It is so pretty. You guys know I'm obsessed with pink these days, and this is a baby pink glossy hard shell carry-on luggage. This is from a brand called BAGSMART, and a lot of companies over the years have reached out to me to feature their travel pieces, their luggage, their duffel bags, and I've always declined because I'm very, very picky about my travel pieces. If you've been watching my channel for a while now, you'll know that I travel a lot and I just am so set with my travel pieces. But then when I saw BAGSMART and their collection, I was like, I definitely have to try this out because this pink was so pretty and the configuration of their bags was so smart that I thought I'm gonna love them. And so here it is so far. I'm going to pack this. I also have a backpack that I picked from their collection. It's also, of course, pink and it's super cute. It's all quilted. So this is a darker pink. It's got the black chunky zippers. You guys know I love the chunky zippers because they never snag. Chunky zipper all across, top handles for ease, and then you've got padded straps for your shoulders. And then look at this, a backpack that actually has a trolley sleeve or luggage handle sleeve, so it goes right over the carry-on. So it's going to be so easy, hands-free. Love all the pockets. I'll show you all of this in detail in a moment. It also comes in a variety of different colors, so you have options, and it's lightweight. So let me start with the carry-on luggage because I really do have to pack, and then we'll go into the backpack. This has the double zipper, so it's going to be expandable, which is nice if you need extra space. And then it'll also have the TSA approved lock here, so you can put in your 3-digit code for security. Now let's open this baby up. It is so easy for me to handle this because it is also lightweight. I cannot do heavy luggage pieces. I just can't. So here's what the inside configuration looks like. So let me show you. On one side, you've got 2 separate compartments of equal size, both secured by a zipper. One size is a little bit more translucent so you can see your items. These are quick, easy access items that you want to be able to see. And then the compartment on top has more of a darker gray paneling so you can't see through it, but it's the same design. And then you have the larger compartment. So let me open this up and voila, you've got a bunch of space here. And then on this side here, you've got the 2 straps to keep all of your items in place so they're not shuffling around. And this I've never seen in other suitcases, but maybe this is a newer design. I don't know, it's very clever. So this right here is like a divider. It's actually removable. So you can just pop it right off. It's got snap buttons, as you can see. So you can put some items underneath and then you can place this and perhaps even put more items on top. But this right here also has a mesh zippered compartment, which will be great. So I usually like to start with my shoes. I'm going to wear my white Haan Sneakers. You guys know I wear those practically everywhere. And then I'm probably going to bring these Rothy's Mules. I think these are going to be perfect. And I like to use cloth dust bags or this nylon big oversized bag that I got with my WALLACE travel tote, which I'm not bringing this trip because I won't need it, but I use that a lot for international and longer trips. So my shoes are going in there. This is completely machine washable. I throw it in the wash every time I come back from a trip. So that goes there. It won't dirty anything else. And then I like to layer in my items, but with the things that I don't care that get wrinkled first, so on the bottom. So this is my swimsuit. Let me show you. I've had this swimsuit for so long. It's got a nice little skirt with the bottom. It's a little bit more conservative, and it's a navy color, and it has a halter top. So I'll bring this because there is a pool at the hotel right on the bottom there. Here's a pair of AG jeans, also another pair of AG. So I've got 2 jeans just in case. I think it's going to be pretty hot though, but just in case. I don't like cold air conditioning blasting in the hotel lobbies. So 2 pairs of pants. I'll also bring my linen pants from Caudalie. And I've got some shorts, white shorts, go with everything. And then 3 tops. I've just got a white tee, a black ribbed tee, and then this blue and white striped crop top from Zara's. I think I'm also going to bring this black v-neck dress from Caudalie. I showed this in a recent video. I just feel like it's casual enough. And in the evenings, not sure what we're going to be doing, but just like for dinner, I can wear this. And it seems like it'll pack really easily and not get too wrinkled, so let's see. And I don't want to overpack, but I think I might want to bring one more dress. This is from Cezanne. It's just a simple denim belted dress that I really feel comfortable in, and it's also like a midi length, just like the black dress, which is super comfortable for me, and I can also wear them with sneakers or the Rothy's So I will probably bring this as well. So I put the dress on the other side because I want to use those little pockets of space for my underwear and bras and socks. I always do that. I always use the little crevices, so I leave that. So let's just close this up. Interesting. I like this actually. Keeps it all tidy. So let's leave it like that. Move this over. Of course, I have to bring my MZ WALLACE toiletry bag. This is the accordion style that I always talk about. I already packed it with all of my cleansers, my micellar water. Here's my TATCHA cleanser. My extra contact lenses here, and a hair tie. Let's see what else. Oh, in this zippered compartment, I love to put my cotton pads, like I wipe down my face each evening before I wash it, and then my flossers before I brush my teeth. I'll have to add my mini toothpaste and also my toothbrush, but I'll wait until last minute. This is my Atomi sunscreen, which I love, and this is my Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer. So that's pretty much it for my face. And then I will have my eyebrow pencil and my concealer in case I look tired for my under eyes. This, of course, has to come with me everywhere I travel. This is the TATCHA Dewy Skin Mist. Super hydrating, gives a nice glow. And then this is a sample size, but I've been using the Caudalie Skin Perfecting Serum. If you start having a breakout or your skin just starts reacting to all the travel, you could just dab this on and the next day you're pretty clear again. This is the TATCHA Essence sample size. I love the sample sizes for travel. These are also sample sizes that I'm going to bring. I always do that. I use my samples on my travels. And then this is my TATCHA Dewy Skin Cream for daily, every day. And then this is my night cream, the overnight repair. There's another zippered compartment on this side. And here I just have some Band-Aids. If you can see that. I think that's it, yeah. All of my beauty and toiletry items are in here. A lot fits. You can fit more. And then it closes up so genius like this. I just love it so much. So this will have to go in. Okay, so I just turned the dress around because I didn't want the cosmetic pouch sitting on the collar of my dress, but that works perfectly. I also have this, which will probably just go in my personal item. It's not going to go in here. I'm going to keep it close to me. My sleeping mask, my chargers, earbuds, like little things. Oh, this has my earplugs. And I'm sleeping, so the earplugs are in there. I am prepared. So this is going to stay outside. But if I was bringing more, you can put all of this stuff like in here, for example. So easy, right? I also have a few other things I need to pack, but I don't have them ready with me yet. So I just want to show you generally how this looks so far. I think it's good. And I wanted your help on the handbags. So this is one of my most used during travels because it is so easy to pack. This is the Walk, and it's just like really compact. So this is one that I'm considering. I would wear this definitely with that black dress. This one here, just so easy, but even with my jeans or shorts, I can do it. The other option is my Prada bucket bag. This is in the navy. Super cute, so lightweight. If we go to the pool, I can just bring this. I won't have to worry about it getting wet. So there's that. It also comes with the crossbody strap inside, just like that. So these are all really easy travel bags. And usually when I'm going to places that are less developed, I won't bring my designer bags. You know, if I'm going outside the US, like last time we went to Ecuador and I brought just my non-branded or lesser known non-luxury designer bags, just in terms of like safety. And then another one that works really well on my trips is the Hermes Mini Evelyn. It's very compact. Only thing is it's not super secure up top because it just has this one button, but that's fine for the most part for Vegas. So I'm going to bring 2, not 3, but 2. So I would love your votes in the comments as to which one you think I should bring. This is a pretty casual trip. I'm not going for some kind of fashion show. I am not really dressing up, as you can see by what I packed. It's going to just be all about time with friends. So let me know which ones you think I should bring. And you can see I could technically pack all 3. There's plenty of space. And I would put them all each back in their dust bags to protect them, and then I would put them in the suitcase. But let me just close this up for now, just so I can see how it looks when it's standing up again. All right, so I am moving this bag around, and I don't hear any of my stuff moving or shaking because it's so secure inside. And then I just close this up. Okay, so there is my carry-on luggage, and then the backpack. So cute. This is what it looks like. It's a nice size. I would say it's like a medium-size backpack. You've got this diagonal chunky zipper. If you were to bring your passport, it goes pretty far down, like to here. So it's not like a shallow pocket. It feels really secure. If anyone wanted to get in, they'd have to pull this all the way down and get kind of like halfway down at least. This is where the passport starts, like right here, and then it goes down to here. Then you've also got this pocket, which is kind of hidden, might be even more secure, and you have all this space here. This pocket's really great for water bottle. I love that there's exterior pockets. You see these chunky zippers? Every time I talk about the chunky zippers on my Lululemon or my Longchamp bags, I feel like I make such a big deal out of it, but it's the chunky zippers that never snag. They're always so good and smooth and just, I don't know, I love the design too. So here's the configuration of the backpack inside. It is actually really well designed with so many different pockets. You've got 2 mesh pockets with a long zipper here, one pocket here, another pocket here. So you want to put a pack of gum or lip gloss or hand lotion, hand sanitizer, earbuds, all of that will fit right there. And then on the other side, you've got another mesh pocket here and then another pocket here. You've got some pen pockets here. I always travel with pens because I'm always writing on the airplane. Then here you've got a padded pocket for either a laptop or iPad. So I brought my kids' iPads. I've got 2 iPads right here. Just want to see if both will fit. Yeah, that was easy. So if I'm traveling with my kids next time and I'm carrying both of the iPads with me, this will fit perfectly fine. I can actually fit more. They usually carry their own stuff, but it's nice to know that I can fit them in here. And this is a great mom bag for anyone else out there who's looking to travel or just like take local or short trips with your kids. This is going to be really handy, and it's just super cute and easy to spot in this color. And the other color is available too. Then if you turn the backpack around to the back, there's this hidden little pocket here where you can put your phone. You can even put your passport in here. And voila. That's even more secure because you can't really see this and it's against your body. So that is so smart. I love that. And of course, this is a must for any travel bag. It has to have the sleeve. So here we go. You see the backpack? It is on the trolley handle. Tell me this is not so genius, so easy peasy. You can be hands-free as you are traveling on the go throughout the airport. This is so good. Okay, so here they are both side by side. I feel like they're such a good set, or you can use them separately. I do have promo codes for 10% off each of them, and there are 2 different codes, so I'll be sure to put them down below in my description box. Plus, these right here totally match my travel pillow. So this is my Melody pink travel pillow, which I will be bringing to Vegas. So I am rocking all pink on this trip to Vegas, and I'm so excited to see my friends. So if you enjoyed this video at all, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all next time. Bye-bye.